In the video 1960s retouturelism, people in the 1960s get most things right about the future of the internet. They predict right about people will use computer to shop online. In the modern days, we use Amazon, eBay, or Google to buy food, daily supplies, or clothes, which is the same as what people predicted in the radio. Online shopping is really useful, but while we are shopping online, we will see some advertisement on the website. Computers collect data based on what we have been buying these days, and then give people advertising to make us to buy more. This is called attention economics, which means an approach to the management of information that treats people attention as a scarce commodity. In the book Attention, Economy, and the Brain, it says attention is a scarce resource. In the market, economies need attention to make more profit. The internet is the best way to get people's attention, and if we combined the internet with economies, there will be a new form of economy that will make a big amount of money. Online shopping and advertisement during YouTube are the best example of attention economy. They also predict right about us using computers to communicate with each other face to face and to work together online. In nowadays, FaceTime is really common for our age of people because it's really useful and people can see each other's face no matter where you are. And because FaceTime is so convenient, people also use it to solve homework problems together. People in the past realized how powerful computers are, and what they predicted in the radio shows that in the 1960s, people want to use computers to change their lifestyle. People want to use computers to make our life more convenient. We can just stay at home and buy anything we want and ship them to the home. But they didn't think about the downside if we rely on computers and the internet too much. Technologies could be really dangerous if they have too much information about us, which refers to the word brain hacking. Brain hacking is the application of technologies to affect an individual's mental state. From the article Future Internet, the Internet of Things, it says that we use things to communicate with each other. In the future, as the internet and technologies grow bigger, objects can connect together, and they can even exchange information by themselves. The internet makes our life better, but as the internet and technologies grow more powerful, it's slowly hacking to our brain and collect data from us while we are using this. Based on all these right predictions, there are also some wrong predictions in the video. In the modern days, we don't need a huge computer to FaceTime or online shopping. All we need is just the phone, and it can do all the things that we have saw in the video. I think people in the 1960s cannot believe that technologies are growing so fast, and I think that's the only thing they didn't predict right. After watching people's predictions, I think it means that we have made the future become true, and it also means that people have already realized computers are going to help us with our daily life. I was really surprised at how accurate the prediction was from the 1960s, and it made me feel that the prediction we have made today about the future will have a really good chance to become true. For example, AI will replace the most people's job, or AI will become too powerful that we need to fight with them to start a war. All these predictions might seem crazy right now, but after watching this video and seeing how fast the technologies are growing, I think nothing is impossible in the future. Technologies are growing stronger every day, and after watching video from the past, I realized basically everything that we predicted that was made in the past become true. And I believe the future will become whatever we predicted, even if it's not exactly the same as what we predicted, but the concept will be really, really similar. According to what Ben said, people in these days just can't get rid of technologies because they grew too fast and too helpful to use. And Emily said that the internet and technologies are really useful, and she thinks they will take a big place in our life in the future.